passes out. We have Hallelujah. Pass to begin. Down on the inside is Gray Angel. Moving up on the outside, Caradura. Winshore Lady comes next. Alongside comes God Missile. Hot Gossip, Madam Elena. Grand Game, Forgive Me. While Beyonce is the early trailer as they leave the straight. Caradura, the leader by Waralenka Hapa. Right behind in second is Hallelujah. 2 lengths back in third, Gray Angel. Winshore Ladies in fourth. And in fifth, God Missile. Hot Gossip comes next. Madam Elena, Grand Game, Forgive Me. While Beyonce is still racing in last as they swing down the back. Caradura by about 2 lengths. Coming closer now in second is Hallelujah. Gray Angel still in third. Winshore Lady moving up on the outside. Scott Missile, Hot Gossip, Madam Elena, Grand Game, Forgive Me. And Beyonce still racing in last. Caradura just in front. Hallelujah now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Hallelujah by about 2 lengths. Caradura drives back in second. Scott Missile in third as they come down at the last 200. Hallelujah by about 3 lengths. Scott Missile is on the outside second. Last 75 meters. It's still Hallelujah. And finally, Hallelujah, Scott Missile, Madam Elena, Caradura, Hot Gossip, for your 10th